Today I'm gonna make a balloon popping sound. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. See? I made it. Let's try it one more time. And it's not opening. And it's not opening. See? Perfect. Now we're done for the